Welcome to our SEOPress tutorial. You're watching the SEOPress channel. Let's get started. Navigate to the Dashboard tab. Set up in 5 minutes. Here we go. Select an SEO plugin to migrate from. You don't have to enable the selected one to run the import. Complete the text field. Save and continue. Choose the checkbox you want to enable. Continue. It's done. Ready to boost your traffic and save hours on SEO tasks? Upgrade to SEOPress Pro and unlock powerful features to take full control of your SEO. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe to the SEOPress channel for more expert tutorials. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep optimizing with SEOPress.